Ave kuyintokozo ukuthi sikhulume nawe kuthanda. Sike sakhuluma la ngodaba lwamaphupho, sizokhuluma ngodaba lwamaphupho namuhla nakusasa. Sibonga abantu abasubscribile, sibonga abantu ababuka ama-video. uNkulunkulu mekanilonde nonke ngokuhlukana. Igama uPastor Niki channel yenyu Fleki. Sibheka idaba la uphupho likaSport. Good day pastor. Cela ubuza kusho ukuthini uphupho uthandaza ubeke socima ikhandlela. And no, thanks in advance. Ngeke ngiphendule ukucima ikhandlela ngoba uthi ubethandaza waseqedwe uthandaza wacima ikhandlela. That means ubeseqedile ukuthandaza. Obvious in real life uma uthandaza ngamakhandlela noma ngeyibani uma ucela ukuthandaza wenzani uyayicima it ngesithi kune meaning ukuthandaza bese ucimita is you done. So sike salibheka la udaba lokuthandaza but namhlanje ngifuna silivale nganza kwethu ukuphupha uthandaza cishe kuyafana konke yabona ngeze ukuphupha uthandaza esigangeni ngeze ukuphupha uthandaza entabeni ngeze ukuphupha uthandaza kusuke umoya uholele la sukufunela uyothandaza khona yabona. So kodwa ukuthandaza into eyodwa kodwa kasesi number 1 uma uphupha uthandaza uphawu oluhle ngoba komunye solusho ukuthi ukhonjisa ukuthi amandla akhe asemkhulekweni futhi kufanele ngawangabazi. 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 8 ithi I will therefore that men pray everywhere lifting up holy hands without wrath and doubting. 2 futhi uma uphupha uthandaza uphawu oluhle olungabe luchaza ukuthi unesithunywa wena noma ke wembethweke noma uvashela amandla kamoya ongcwele leso sikhathi. 3 uma uphupha uthandaza uphawu olungabe lushoke ukubeka ithemba lakho kuNkulunkulu nokumethemba ukuthi uzokuzwa futhi ke uzoziletha impendulo usuke wenze njani uyidinga. 1 John chapter 5 verse 14 this is the confidence we have in approaching God that if we ask anything according to his will he hears us. 4 uma uphupha uthandaza uPaul ngabili uchaza ukuthi uneyinkinga uneyinkathazo noma ubhekene nobunzima futhi uzama ukuthola isixazululo. Psalms 102 empeleni verse 17 ithi ke he will respond to the prayer of the destitute, he will not despise their plea. 5 uma uphupha uthandaza singathi thina uPaul ngabili usho ukuthi uzama ukuyithoba uzama ukuphenduka noma ufuna intethelelo nombuso kaNkulunkulu. 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14 if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways then I will hear from heaven, I will forgive their sins and heal their land. 6 uma uthandazela abanye abantu uphawu oluhlelo ngoba lusho ukuthi wena mhlawumbe unesifiso ukuthi umsize lo muntu loyo ukuthi mhlawumbe impilo ibe ngcono aphinde mhlawumbe ashintshe nokwenza futhi uNkulunkulu angenelele empilweni yakhe. 1 John chapter 5 verse 16 it if you see any brother or sister commit a sin that does not lead to death you should pray and God will give them life. I refer to those whose sin does not lead to death. There is a sin that leads to death and I'm not saying that you should pray about that. 7 uma uthandazela abanye abantu uPaul usho ukuthi uyabakhathela abanye abantu wena noma ubeka idingo zabo phambili noma ke kuqala kunezakho. Ephesians 6 verse 18 and pray in the spirit of all occasions with all kinds of prayers and requests. With this in mind, alert, always keep on praying for all the lost people. As Volume 8 uma ubuthandaza isikhathi eside futhi uphambi kwabantu yabona uPaul ngasho ukuthi ngenzeka mhlawumbe uthanda ubuka uthanda unconya kunokwethula mhlawumbe kuphela usize isikhalo noma isicelo sakho kuNkulunkulu. Matthew 6 chapter 7 Matthew 6 verse 7 ithi when you pray do not keep on babbling like pagans for they think they will be heard because of their many words. Awuthanda shoot straight to the point uthandaza siyabona uNkulunkulu makulonde usise siwe